Hey friends, and welcome back to an all new video. I'm so happy you all are here, so thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I am going to be sharing just a midweek pick me up. As you can see, I'm dressed up. I've got places to go, people to see today. I actually attend a local women's meeting once a month, and that's where I was headed this morning. But I got the boys out the door into school and got ready for the day, and I had a few extra minutes before I had to head out. My bathroom was looking pretty bad. My mirror was disgusting, the counters, the sinks, and this really just takes me 5 minutes to do. And I knew instead of just sitting in a chair, maybe scrolling my phone, I thought I would go ahead and utilize those minutes so I can just get a better jump on the day. So I'm just going to do a really quick wipe down here in my bathroom. But again, just thank you so much for being here today. I have so much to share in today's video. Now, I love to consider myself a stay-at-home mom. Obviously, I am a content creator, so I do also kind of work from home, but when I make my own schedule and I'm able to do everything that comes along and be home with my kids, it's just a really interesting space to be. So I'm not really sure what I consider myself, but I am so curious, those of you that maybe work outside of the home, kids, no kids, what does your schedule look like when you have work days? Do you guys do a little cleaning in the morning? Do you do it when you come home from work? Do you come home on your lunch and maybe throw in a load of laundry or do some dishes? Or do you reserve cleaning for the weekends and do it all at once? I'm so curious for those of you that work. Like I said, kids or no kids, let me know how you guys balance your home and work life down below in the comments. As for me, I don't really have a solid schedule. I do try and put out 2 to 3 videos a week. So while my kids are at school, that is when I try and do the majority of my filming. I don't really have a solid upload schedule right now. I've kind of just been putting up videos as they're ready, and you guys have really been enjoying that. So sometimes you'll get 3 videos a week, but usually 2. But I always try and put my family first. So when I have the time and I would be cleaning, I pick up the camera, and then usually in the evenings I'll sit down and do all my rough editing, and then usually the next day I'll go ahead and just upload a video. But I am really trying to narrow down a better schedule. I feel like maybe we can operate in this household a little bit smoother. But I also love having my freedom. So that's why I love talking to you all. I know I have fellow content creators here that watch my videos and friends of mine, and I'm just so curious how you all do it. And it's just so fun to share just, doing it all. As women, I feel like we wear so many hats, and we're just trying to do the best that we can. And that's exactly what I'm doing. And that's why I love sharing these videos. I know it can look like influencers and content creators have it all together, but in the background there is definitely real life happening. And sometimes I stress about picking up the camera and getting things done, or keeping my house clean, or am I spending enough time with my kids, all that good stuff. I just want to be transparent with you all, and I love asking you all what you guys do in your homes. I did a little bit of editing magic there because I didn't want to bore you. I had a pretty good pile of laundry going on right here. So I went ahead and just showed you guys what I was working with, and then got it all put away and showed you the after. And then I'm just doing a quick vacuum in here. We do have a pet dog, Ruger. You guys will see him in this video, and you usually see him in a lot of my videos. He's very popular around here. But I just try and vacuum. He has short hair, so I don't struggle too much with dog hair, but it does still happen. And so I figured, at another couple minutes, I can get my room all vacuumed, and now I can tidy up my nightstand. As you can see, I have been a reading machine lately. I've been really into Colleen Hoover. Let me know if you guys are little bookworms like I am, and if you guys have ever enjoyed any of Colleen Hoover's books. You belong with everybody else, but you belong with me. And there's nothing I can do, 'cause you don't see straight when it comes to her. No, she's gonna eat you up. Hello everyone. As you can see, we just got a few things done upstairs and checked off the list before I have to run out the door this morning. I love doing what I can do right off in the morning because I feel like it just kind of gets the ball rolling, gets my day going. I just feel more accomplished, and then it just gets me more motivated to do things throughout the day. I hope that makes sense to you, but we wiped down my bathroom, we got some laundry put away, we picked up my room, and now we're downstairs. I did get the kids out the door to school. As you can see, I got ready for the day. So it's been a busy morning. I wake up at 6 a.m. every single day. My kids do start early, around 7:30 in the morning for school. So that means mom has to get up early and get everyone shuttled out the door to school. But it's also kind of nice because I feel like I get a handle on more of the day. So I've had my coffee, I got ready, got a few things done upstairs, and now I'm down here. I don't have much time. I have to go out the door for a meeting here shortly, but I'm so excited to share that today's video is sponsored. I've worked with them before, but it's been a little while. So I'm gonna share a little bit about Rose Forever before I head out today.
We all know when you buy fresh flowers, they have a shorter lifespan. You maybe get a few days or a week out of them, and then they just tend to wither up and die. But with preserved roses, you don't have to worry about any of that. You don't have to worry about tossing them in the trash after a week. You can have them looking fresh in your home every day for more than a year. These stunning bouquets are also handcrafted. As I mentioned, they are long lasting. You can get up to sometimes even over a year. They're allergen free and vegan, and with something for everyone. These would make an excellent gift for maybe a hostess gift for the holidays. Maybe you can give them for Christmas, and even with Valentine's Day, or maybe you're just thinking of somebody. It's literally something for everyone. You can discover all of Rose Forever's creative collections. They have anything from round dome boxes to square-shaped boxes of roses. You can even choose from black velvet, hat style boxes, pink suede, or even crystal clear, and you can customize your perfect rose arrangement. They currently have an amazing sale going on their site, and don't forget to add a little love note to your order, like I love you. After you add to cart, you also want to make sure you enter in my promo code KATIE25 with a capital K, and that'll save you an extra $25 off the sale price. I also wanted to share that this month they are celebrating International Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So every single pink rose bouquet that they sell throughout the month, they will donate $2 to the Breast Cancer Research Foundation. I'll have a link down below in the description box so you can shop Rose Forever New York for yourself. And thank you again to Rose Forever for sponsoring this portion of today's video. This is a few hours later. I went to my meeting, ran some errands, and got the kids from school, and now I'm back home and I need to order groceries. So before I do that, I need to go through my fridge and assess what I need and what I have, go through anything that's been expired, and wipe down these shelves. I try and do this every single week so I don't get too behind and I don't just hold a bunch of waste in here. I do have a counter depth fridge, so that means I don't have as much room as a standard fridge. And so my fridge fills up very, very quickly, and I just don't have the space to hoard a bunch of expired food or just things that need to get thrown out. So again, everything I'm doing today just takes a matter of minutes. It's just a matter of actually getting up and getting it done. So that's what I'm doing in today's video for a little midweek pick me up and clean up around the house. So we're just gonna take the few minutes it takes and go through this shelf by shelf. We're not gonna completely empty it out and just get through the major shelves here in the fridge, and then I'll know exactly what I need to order for groceries.
You wait and see if it's worth your while. To Mars, oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
am behind on dishes for the day, but as you can see, it wasn't too bad, but I do have a full dishwasher that I need to get emptied. So again, with a little editing magic, because I don't want to bore you guys with dishes in every single video, I went ahead and unloaded this dishwasher off camera, and now it's time to go ahead and order my groceries so that way I can have someone else shopping for me while I am doing these dishes in the background. So I just took 10 minutes, talked to my family. I asked if there's anything that they needed. We didn't need a whole lot. I think I maybe had 12 items in my whole order, but I absolutely love Instacart. Let me know if you guys use it as well. I think I pay $99 for the whole year, and that covers all of my service fees. The only thing extra I do is tip, but to be honest with you, I feel like it's still cheaper than me going to the store and just ending up throwing random things in my cart. So the tip is absolutely worth it to me, especially with kids being home and we have homework and just a whole routine to get done. Instacart comes in clutch for me on days that I have meetings and just too many things to do around the house. These dishes took me no time at all, so now I'm just going to scrub out the sink because the dishes have been sitting in here for the majority of the day. This is the late afternoon, about to go into evening time, and I don't like the smell when dishes just sit in the sink, so I went ahead and scrubbed that out really quickly. I also am so excited to share this little Walmart find. I know these ribbed fluted glasses are all the rage right now, so trendy, but they can be so expensive if you are even looking on Amazon or Anthropologie, Pottery Barn, even Target. So I've held back all this time, but I was lucky enough to score these off Walmart.com, and they were, I think, $2 a glass. And I ordered 6 of the tall and 6 of the shorter. I also snagged a brand new coffee maker. I shared with you guys I've been waiting for this to come. It actually got canceled. I had to reorder, but it is here now. This is the Keurig Express. I love the compact size. I love the color. It has beautiful LED lights on it. So I will be doing a coffee bar in an upcoming video. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But of course, like anything you purchase new, I need to clean these cups. So I'm gonna peel all these pesty stickers off the bottom and get these loaded into the dishwasher. While cleaning out the fridge, I totally forgot that I had this passion Tazo tea. I order this almost every time I go to Starbucks. I love passion tea lemonade sweetened, and I figured I could make a whole pitcher at home. I think I just picked this up at my Super Target, but I think you can find this in most big box stores. I wasn't sure how much this was going to make, and so I realized, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and make the whole serving size. So I dumped the whole carton into this pitcher. This is just like a cheap dollar store, Dollar Tree pitcher, and it said to fill with equal parts water, and that's what I did. You could easily add your lemonade or sweetener to this as well. Actually, a good friend of mine said that she adds pumps of raspberry and it just takes it to a whole new level. So maybe I'll have to try that next time. I didn't have any on hand, but I figured this Tazo tea, I didn't want to forget about it again. So I just whipped up a pitcher and it sounded good. So I poured myself a glass. And then of course I need to clean up my mess. And then I have had a little project that I've been wanting to share with you all. I found this beautiful vase at Target on clearance for just 10 bucks. Obviously, I wasn't a huge fan of the color, but I loved everything else about it. So a couple videos ago, I shared how I've been doing that acrylic paint with the baking soda to make it look like pottery. It gives it a nice textured effect. So I'm gonna try that on this vase, and you guys, it turns out so beautiful. Obviously, I'm still working on this project, so you guys will have to stay tuned to see what I end up doing with this vase in an upcoming video, but I love how it's coming out so far. As I'm letting that dry, my groceries are now here. They came really fast. They were here within an hour, but they usually give you about a 2-hour window, which is still not bad. So we're just gonna bring these in and just unload everything, get it all organized and put away. I know so many of you have been enjoying my little grocery hauls, so I figured why not go ahead and squeeze in a 2-minute haul, and I'll just do a quick voiceover. I picked up some of these items for dinner tonight. My husband ended up getting called into work, so I'm gonna save it for tonight's dinner if he's home. But we just picked up some of these very reasonably priced family steaks. It came with 2 huge steaks. I'm gonna slice up some zucchini and do some baked potato. I grabbed some fruit. I got some apples and bananas. We were running low on eggs and bagels. And then, of course, frozen French fries are a staple, and also cereal. My husband and kids both love this oatmeal. I grabbed some of that, and then some snack chips and Uncrustables just for easy lunches during the week at school. But that's all I picked up from my Instacart order today. So let me know if you guys have ever used Instacart or Shipt, or I know there's a few different ones out there, but I love utilizing them on weeks that I'm just spread really, really thin. But I'm just going to get these put away really quickly and refill these cereal boxes. But other than that, friends, that's going to do it for today's video. I love sharing just these everyday relatable videos with you all. So if you could do me a favor and click that like button if you enjoyed today's video. If you're new here, I would love to have you subscribe before you leave today. It helps me out as a creator, and I am just so thankful for each and every one of you. But I hope you all are having a wonderful week, and thank you again to Rose Forever for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to click the link down below in the description box so you can check them out for yourself. Bye, friends.